Hey guys, my name is Lightskin. Welcome to the tutorial from the Ramen family. Today we are going to talk about enchants. If you don't know what enchants are, they're basically you can enchant your gear to put extra stats on your gear that will give you the stats and boost your rating up. I want to see your enchants. You're going to click on equipment and click on enchant. As you can see, each one of these things right here means I got an enchant on it, and as you can see, there's two different types of symbols on them. So I got two different types of enchants. Today we're gonna go over both types of enchants. First is the regular enchants, the one without the little wings right there, regular ones. You can always to find where you get these enchants from. You can always go over here and click on the plus sign on them, and it'll tell you that you can get them from AH or from a certain profession. So let me see. I go to AH and look. Oh, they don't have it, but they got a list of them. Now, every profession has a different type of enchant that you can get. I know from mine, for instance, mine's not all the way leveled up, but we can go ahead and take a look at it real quick. Bam. So this is why it's always important to get your professions up, because it's also a good way to make money by buying these enchants. So basically what I would do is if I was using this enchant, I would make the enchant, boom, 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 go back to my equipment and my enchants, and as I do right here, it'll appear up just like this right on here, and all I would do is press enchant. Remember, these are the regular enchants right here. The green, blue, and yeah, green and blue, these are regular. Now the second type of enchants are called the revelation enchants. You can only put you get these from higher dungeons that drop tier 3 or tier 2.5 and above, which is at the moment only Land of Eternal Sleep at the moment. Usually it's anything on a new chapter, but since all these dungeons are merged into Lantern Sleep, Lantern Sleep is the only dungeon that can give it for you. When you defeat this raid, not dungeon, but raid, you get an item called the Spirit of Origin. These Spirit of Origins is what you use to get to the enchant page. Let me look at my bag real quick. As you see, I got 16 right here. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna click on it and press use. It's gonna take me to this page. Obviously, this is not the right page, right? It's a little bug they have in the system, but no worries. I'm gonna show you right here. So we're talking to Grand Marshal Alderman, and you go over here to Black Dragon Rebirth Adventure and Revelation Scroll, and boom! As you can see, we have Revelation Enchants. Cool thing about Revelation Enchants is that you can stack them with the other enchants that you get on the regular enchants. So, also another warning is that you can only put these Revelation enchants on tier 2 or above gear. So all my people tier 2 and above, you should start getting on these and make sure you put them on. They're big stats. For people that are not tier 2 yet, I would still stack these up and get these enchants ready for when you do get T2, you're ready to set and go, and you're good. For this item right here, this last enchant, you would have to get these, which come from overlords and come from the scale shop. Boom, 200 scales. The way you get your scales are from the dragon horde. When you put some money into it. All right, guys. This is this is Deebo from the Ramen family. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Sign out.